Where am I going? I ain't certain. Where am I headed? I don't know. All I know is I'm on my way. If you don't know that song, that's from Paint Your Wagon, Lee Marvin and Clint Eastwood. It's a great movie. It's my theme song. We are in Florida at the Ocean Pond Recreation Area Campground. And there are some sticks around, but most of them are all rotten. And this is my favorite campground in Florida anyways. It's a great campground. It has electric and water sites, only water sites, and nothing sites. And they go from $30, $20 to $10. So it's a really nice campground. There's always, it's first come, first serve. You won't find it on Rec.gov. It's just here in the Osceola National Forest. And it is on Google Maps, but it's not on anything that you can find because it's first come, first serve. They do have pretty nice individual room hot showers. They're every time I'm here, they're working on them, trying to get them to work better, because there's 3 bathhouses, all identical, no get. They're always something's broken on one of them. So I thought I'd let you know whereabouts we are, what we're doing. It's we're on our way to Florida to see Mom for Christmas. So this is obviously delayed a bit since Christmas is long gone. In the Osceola National Forest, there are 2 free campsites. One of them, I think, is called Hog Pen, and it's just up the road. Actually, I think it's on the back side of this campsite. But it's got sites, you know, numbered campsites, pretty far apart, and they're separated with bushes and trees and stuff like that. So they're pretty private little campsites for, you know, but they're primitive. They've got vault toilets, but they're pretty nice. They're on a loop that's on a boat launch, little boat launch, not any big boat launch. But if you got a canoe or a kayak, it's a nice place to camp. And again, it's first come, first serve. But I think it's free. I didn't see any pay station. So we drove through there Friday afternoon, and there were only 3 people camped there, and there were a lot of campsites. Now they're right on the lake, and the road goes along the lake, and there's campsites on the lake side, and there's campsites on the non-lake side. And the campsites on the lake side were a little bit close to the lake. I mean, like the lake was all around their pads. So the ones on the other side of the road were protected from the water, but Florida's had a ton of rain this year, and it brought out the bugs, and it's brought out flooding. So 3 or 4 of the campsites here, there's only, I think there's 18 or 20 electric sites, and 3 or 4 of them are flooded. I mean, you could camp, you could park on their site, and there's just water all around the parking pad. So we pulled into one because we got here at night in the dark, and it was definitely, when I got out to hook up the trailer's electricity, it's like the electric pedestal was in the middle of a lake, so we had to move. This is my favorite site anyways. This is site number 4, and it's nice because the sun in the morning is behind trees until about 10 o'clock, which is about where we are right now, and so we have to finish this up before the sun hits the camera and screws up the lens. But there's Hog Pen, or whatever it's called, right up the road. The other way is called Cobb's Corners, or Cobb Campground, C-O-B-B, and that's another free place, but that's just along the road. They've cleared out a couple of spots where you can camp. I don't know. When I was over there yesterday, on Friday, it was a little crowded with people that look like they could be homeless, but they could be just campers. You know, campers get pretty grungy after a couple of days, and it's hunting season for something here, because I see hunters out, and they could be just hunters that are, you know, having a good time. I've never been to either of those places in the past, so I figured I'd do this video and tell you. I've got a video on this campground, so I'll put that up atop somewhere, wherever up here is, and you can go see that. It's Ocean Pond. Just search in my channel for that headline, and it'll be somewhere in the title. So we are getting ready to head out to our next. This, like I said, this is just really a short hello, this is where we are video. Trying to keep Aquila happy. He's been a little on the miserable side. I don't know why. I don't think he likes Florida any more than I do. It's too bushy. You can't get through anything, and he doesn't really have the opportunity to run around like he does on other places. We're gonna cut this short because we got to get packed and get out of here before the sun gets up. And but anyways, we'll give you a couple of sights on the way out of here, and maybe some other interesting pictures at the end. But that's all we've got for today. Our next stop is Salt Springs National Forest Campground. Anyways, to your new year, we'll see you on the road. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.